today? A makeshift crate.
We're gonna take these supplies to make this vase that looks like this one. Hey guys, I'm Cory. Makeshift crate. So, little history to explain what we're doing. When Jess and I first got our own place, we found these vases. We have two of them. And for her and I to agree on anything decor-wise is very hard. And the fact that both of us love these vases, we got them immediately. Unfortunately, our production manager broke one, hence why it's all super glued back together. And since it's super glued back together, and you can tell, and I did a really bad job putting it back together, I want to try to recreate this, hence the other vase. Now, I do understand they are not exactly the same size and stuff like that, but that's okay. I'm going to do that my way. Right, wrong, or indifferent. So, let's get started.
Shake, 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 all day long. Shake, shake, shake when I sing this song.
Don't mind me. Anyway, so, we got us some alcohol inks. I don't know if that's the way they did that, but that's the only thing I can think of. So that's what we're going to try. We're going to try using the alcohol inks to make these stripes that they have. That looks like the way they would have done it. And then we're going to take some spray adhesive and glitter to coat the inside just like this is. So it's going to be a really simple project, but we're going to try and make it work. So I'm going to start with my blue here, which actually, wow, I did a really good job matching that. I'm kind of proud of myself. Just like that. I think they did it more like just up top and then let it run down. This is all trial and error, guys, because I've never done this before. This might be completely wrong. There's probably someone out there who's like, what are you doing? I'm sure. But you know what? That's how we are on this channel. We like to make it up as we go along. It's not looking too bad. Not exact, but that's okay. Oh, there we go. Hey, we got one down to the bottom.
Hope you're gonna have enough ink.
I should. I don't even think I've used a lot of it. It looks like I did, but it doesn't come out very thick. You know what I mean? Well, that's pretty though.
Yeah, I like that blue.
I know. That's almost exact.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I'm good. Don't mind me, guys. I got to toot my own horn every once in a while, just because. Now they got it all over me. Alright, that's a little more blue than they had, but that's okay, because I would think it's gonna, oh, I just got more on my face.
You're gonna look like a Smurf too.
I know, right? Just been painting today, so she's got, blue on her fingers. I wonder if maybe if I do it like this. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah. It's looking good. Not looking bad.
No. It's not exact, but that's okay. Like, I don't want it to be exact. I want it to kind of be inspired by. Does that make sense? Ooh. Well, got all over me. I actually really like that.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't look anything like it.
No, but it's pretty. I think once you add the silver, it's gonna look really nice.
Yeah. So I think I'm gonna stop. Even though it doesn't look exact, I do like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get all over me. All right, so guys, I don't know if I should wait until this dries, but you know what? I've never been known as being cautious.
No. Not cautious.
Look at all this alcohol ink I got at the bottom. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got way more at the bottom than they do. Oh, well. You know what? I wonder. No, I probably should. All right, so. Whew.
Which one?
Smells like rubbing alcohol.
Oh. Oh, it's all sparkly. We need to add more.
Oh yeah, I definitely need more.
Ooh, that smells.
Might need to put this in paint booze.
Right? I don't think it'll fit.
Yeah, right.
What do you think about big stuff?
That means we have
Another
stuff to do.
project.
Another project.
There's some spots on the inside you need to get again.
There's a lot of them.
It's
So I
looking
think I need
really
more.
pretty though.
How much glitter is not enough? Or how much glitter is too much glitter? I don't know.
It's never too much glitter. Except for glitter is really hard to get out of everything.
Well, that's why we're doing it in the shop.
But you need to put more at the bottom.
I think I need more at the top.
Let me see. Ah, yeah. A little more.
Maybe I didn't get enough glitter.
It's looking like it though.
You know what?
I actually really like it. I think it looks really good.
Completely happy with that.
I think it looks really good. Like, look, put the other one against it. I think actually it looks better.
I don't know about that, but
I like how the gold's darker.
I have some of the stuff on the outside, but oh wow, I got a lot of it on the outside. Clean that off now. But that's okay. I got it all over me.
I think it looks really pretty.
I think for a quick and simple video, I think it did the job, guys. So, hey, this whole thing, honestly, the most expensive thing of this project was the vase. And you could get a cheaper vase. I was going for a specific one. So, obviously, mine costs more. But you can get a vase at, like, Michael's or AC Moore for, like, $5 to do something like this. Or even, like, a decorative glass from the dollar store or something like that. The glitter is nothing. Glitter's like a few bucks. And the inks were, I think one was $5, another one was like $7. So yeah, very inexpensive project, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Find us on all the social media. If you'd like to support us, Patreon.com/MakeShapeCreate. Like, subscribe, comment below, and hope we'll see you again next week. Bye.
Bye.